Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making a fridge freezer. So let's start off with a cube. So a tool, which is Z, we want 1.44. On the Y, we want 0.55. And then on the X, we want 0.6. So that is our size of our freezer. Okay, so this one is a little bit retro. I found it on the internet. So this is our basically our shape. It is got smooth edges, so what we're going to do is we will go into our edit mode and do a Control R. So this will be where the doors are going to be, and what I'm going to do is just take this face, Shift D on the X, and then we want to P by selection, and then we want to do the same on the bottom one, D on the X, and then P by selection. So we can just go back into here. We're just going to reset all transforms, go into this one, and then inset. This is like the top part of the fridge, so this is where the freezer is going to be. And then what we want to do is just extrude that on the X. It's a nice deep fridge, nice deep freezer part. And then we'll do the same on here. We'll inset and then extrude on the X, like so. So that is what our fridge freezer is going to look like. These are the doors. So we could take this one and extrude on the X, by 0.03. 0.05. There we go. It's a nice thick door. And then we do the same on here. Extrude on the X, 0.05. So that's our doors. As I say, they are they do have a bit of a curve to them. So we're going to hit number 2. Let me just grab my keyboard. Okay, and then hit that one as well. Oh, let's reset the transforms. Control B, like so, and then just crank up the segments. Was it 0. That's 7. So 0.03 and 7. Do the same on here. Select the same ones. Control B, 0.03 and 7, and tab out. So these are the doors. Object set origin to geometry. So there's door number 1. Object set origin to geometry. There's door number 2. We just got to make them a little bit smaller because there's a gap in between them. And then we'll do the same on there, like so. But also here we've got like a chrome piece, so extrude on the Z like that, and then do the same on this one, extrude on the Z like so, and I think it just comes out a little bit, so what we'll do, let's redo that, extrude on the Z, and then we'll select all these around here because these are the chrome bits, okay, and what we want to do is just extrude along normals so it sticks out a bit like that, and the same on this one, and extrude on the normals like that. So those bits are chrome. On the top here, hit number 2, except we don't want, we want that, but we don't want that one, and then we want to do control bevel again, so it goes like that. So 0.02. Okay, and then on here we want to do the same, 0.02 on that one, and that one, control B, we want that to be 0.02, so that matches with the door like so, and then this one just sits in there like so. There's obviously a little gap, and then at the bottom here it's got these 4 little cylinders, UV cylinder, scale all the way down. So we just want this in the 4 corners. So we'll just scale it down. Whoops. Bring it on up there, and then it kind of tapered. So number 3, scale, kind of like that. Could probably do with just moving up a tad. Like that. Okay, let's bring it on into the corner. Now we want to duplicate on the X, select both, duplicate on the Y, and then just here, Shift A, we've got a cube, scale that right the way down. So we've got a handle here. Let's just put that in there a little bit. Taper that down like so. Put in a loop cut there. Let's just add a subdivision on there like that. Control R. Just make that there. And then just out the back here, hit number 3. And then we want to extrude on the X, and then put in another loop cut here, and then we could crank that up and then shade smooth That's kind of going to be here, and then we want to take that one, just bring that back, because we're going to put in another extrude that face just like we did on the other side. Extrude on the X, and then Control R to loop cut like so. Okay, we'll have that down there, and then there's another one, Shift D on the Z, which goes here. I mean, if you wanted to, you could have them there. I'm just going by the drawing. So so this one, we need to add material. Let's just add a quick floor, Shift A on the plane. Okay, so this is like a baby blue colour, or candy blue, whatever you wanna. I guess that's a candy blue. That's obviously going to be a candy blue, and that's obviously going to be a candy blue. But now we need to edit this. Select all those, number three, and select all those. Create a new material, new, crank up metallic, crank down the roughness, assign. So now we got that, we can just drop it onto our handles, and also we need that one, new material, and then crank up the metallic again, crank down this roughness, and then assign. In fact, let's do that one. Oh, we're on the wrong material. There we go. So, oh, my mouse is like playing up the day. So metallic is 100, roughness just put down to 0. Metallic 100, roughness 0. There we go. And then shade smooth, voila. Why does that blue look different? Let's find out what the hex is going on. Select that one. Oh, it is the same, it just looks different. That is weird. So that one, oh, have we changed anything here? Roughness 0.5. No, I can't say anything's changed on it. Okay, yes. No, it's bizarre. Just looks completely different. Let's see what it's looks like in the render. Wow, that is different. Or is it just because of the lighting? crap lighting. Let's go to cycles, GPU, denoise. I'm going to put HDR lighting in there of a, I don't know what yet. We're going to put in, if I can find it, we're just going to do some studio lighting maybe. HDR images, photo studio. Let's have a look, see what that looks like. That's better. Oh, check that out. That seems to be heaps better. Well, anyway, that's our refrigerator. We can use that in our house. We can obviously change color if you don't like the candy blue. We can go with whatever color you want, really. A peach. Rocking the peach. Anyway, that'll be up to you. I think it's kind of cool. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be putting out some more videos very soon. So subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Ta-da for now.